Hey, what's up everybody? Brian here with Revenue Pro Tips. Welcome to this week's Quick Tip Tuesday. And today's tip, guys, is multiple sources of income. Now, for those of you who are unfamiliar, right, there's a few different ways in which people generally will receive the income they make, right? Usually and most commonly is trading time for money, right? Your job, you go and you're spending your time there 8, 10, 12 hours, some people more a day for a specific amount of money, whether that be a fixed amount in terms of like a salary or hourly pay, or based on maybe a per project basis for like people like freelancers or commission based, performance based, things like that. But then there's other ways in which people create income as well. Where they, you could have a job and maybe start a business on the side that's producing income. Maybe you have the job, the business on the side, and then you put your money into some kind of investment fund, whether that be through stocks and things like that, or some kind of, you be an angel investor of some sort, right? There's all kind of different ways that you can go about earning multiple sources of income. But today's tip, guys, is just to try to get you to wrap your head around being a person who makes money in multiple ways, having multiple sources of income. If you aspire to achieve financial freedom, I promise you this is the only way to do that, right? Because you have people who make even 6, 7 figures a year in terms of how much money they make with their jobs, their businesses, but they're putting in so many hours into this job, or even if it is their own business, that they can't really enjoy life. It's like the more money they make is in reflection to the more time they spend doing what they do. But if you're somebody who is able to grasp this concept of earning money through multiple sources, right, you can kind of create more time in a sense where you could still maybe be working at one or two things a day, but 8 hours total, but see exponentially more money in return for those 8 hours, all right? And that's how you stretch out your time. That is how you exponentially grow your income, okay? So today's tip is really to get you guys to start thinking, focus on multiple sources of income. When you think about people like the Warren Buffetts out there who owns, Berkshire Hathaway is what he's kind of known for, his investments, right? But within Berkshire Hathaway, they own companies like Coca-Cola, Dairy Queen, Geico. I mean, some of the biggest companies in the world this man owns, all right? And just think, just because Berkshire Hathaway has all these companies under its one umbrella, that is different sources of income that are coming into his, that he's receiving money from day after day, week, month, year after year, okay? So multiple sources of income, guys. I want just to throw that out there. And if you're somebody who's out there to looking to achieve financial freedom, get rich, wealth, and all that in terms of finances, you want to start looking into multiple sources of income. Stay tuned, because next week we'll actually be having a video breaking down the 3 different strategies in terms of earning money, earning income, okay, including multiple sources of income. So look out for that next week. And if you have not done so, make sure you subscribe, hit the little red button below and the bell notification next to it so you don't miss when we do upload new content. Like this, every single week we're coming to you with a quick tip, and throughout the week, other times of the week, we're coming to you with other information, tips, and even online based opportunities, in which if you are interested in and making money online to make that one of your sources of income, click the link, the first link in the description below, where we will show you our number one recommendation in terms of making money online. With that said, this is Brian with this week's Revenue Pro Tips Quick Tip Tuesday video, and we'll see you soon. Peace.